This is Jeetan. In couple of months, we started on our pivot towards Salesforce trails, and we reached an intermediate level. There are some videos as well that we made through uh, uh, on this Salesforce trails video series, and we made until the intermediate level on admin and developer beginner, and then we said that we are going to get uh, ready for the agent force, and if we look here, yeah, so we started on that pivot a bit, and but if we go back 7 8 years ago, we understand that Salesforce rolled out Lightning across all its product lines, and like sales, service, marketing, and commerce, and then it made some acquisitions like MuleSoft, Heroku, Slack, Tableau, and also built some homegrown uh, data layer with the customer 360, and as it was and then Einstein continuously R&D on the with the Einstein product line, and then last year it rolled out an agentic layer with the agent force, and it and that's and as we listen to leaders from Salesforce, it appears it looks like that all this is going to come together as an AI offering in the form of a digital labor platform, and uh, and and as we develop these capabilities, one of the things that Trailhead is providing us is to learn by becoming an agent blazer, and it has rolled out a champion level and a innovator level, so we can go a little bit into that understanding a little bit with these trailheads, and it's a it's a nice way to build your AI capabilities with the Salesforce platform, and so we try to see that a bit. Like basically in the Agent Blazer champion trail, you have you will first pick up on the AI basics, like some fundamentals, like what is artificial intelligence. Basically, when we make machines think, reason, and act and deliver, just as we humans do, then we are uh, creating uh, artificial intelligence systems, and we understand that all this is backed with uh, models that are trained on a huge amount of data from web, from uh, like the frontier models with Chat GPT, Claude, and DeepSeek, and that is uh, innovation at a different level. But we need to understand that that these data that we have created, and we are continuously creating, are training these models, and these models are built on neural networks, which are somewhat again layered systems, and is backed with is algorithms and things like bias and weights, and then it creates a path, uh, and it travels that path to give us responses, and there are different training models like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. So we as we go through this, we pick up some on the basics and fundamentals. And then we also know that the first wave of AI is with predictive AI, and then as LLM becomes mainstream with ChatGPT coming out, and 2000 end of 2022, we saw the second wave in action with generative capabilities, where text to speech, image classification, and then things like summarization, translation, which is more the generative AI side of things, and then things like copilots are generating code for developers and us, and and we understand that this is all enabled through natural language. We interact with the AI systems just in the language that we speak, and it's not binary. It's conversational, and then we know that the models go through training process, but there are things like that leaders are concerned about are the ethical side of things, the responsible AI, when these agents and systems are deployed at scale, uh, the data has to be uh, the privacy concerns, the trust, and the hallucinations. So there's a layer built to address these kind of issues or concerns. We understand that as well in this uh, initial get started with the artificial intelligence basics modules, and then we get into the Salesforce AI in order to have the AI systems work properly, there has to be a data strategy, data layer, and the way Salesforce AI is enabling uh, the developers and customers is through the data cloud, in which we can build the unified profiles for individuals through streaming capabilities offered in the provided in the platform to ingest data from any system like data lakes, to ingest data from Salesforce clouds with the sales service, marketing, commerce. And once you have that unified profiles, then you can act on that data and deploy that on channels, different channels, as calculated insights. And we understand, and this data plus AI plus CRM module explains that though Salesforce started as a CRM company, but with data and AI, it is combining all three to build that agentic layer for all its product lines. And there are different tools that we need to learn as part of the this Salesforce AI platform offering, through which are like prompt builder. Uh, we understand that the we send the prompts to the LLM, and then we in a natural language, and we get the response back. But if to design these prompts at scale, there's a template approach, and prompt builder allows us to create those templates and then add merge fields from the say in the merge fields which which adds the dynamic capabilities of picking up the values from the sales data in the systems. And then these prompts are grounded. Bar goes through an Einstein trust layer, which does the masking, the uh, and other checks on the request side. And as we get the response, it checks for toxicity, hallucinations, and demasking. So we don't have to worry too much about the bigger level issues that LLMs can have when uh, we when we build our use cases in the enterprise systems. And and as we understand, the though LLMs are as much as capable of responding to our questions through conversational interfaces, the agentic layer is all about taking actions, and for that we have tools like agent builder to create autonomous agents, and this all these capabilities are accessible through agent force uh, uh, agent force conversational uh, chatbots, and we and there are different kind of agents that we can build through agent builder, like employee agent, which is more internal facing, and then customer service agent, which can be deployed on customer websites. So as we get some hands on, we join the agent blazer community, uh, we do the hands on projects with where we follow along the trails and build the agents and ingest data into the data cloud and test those agents and become an agent force champion. Once we reach the level one, then we get ready. We go to an innovator level trail, and we understand that now that we have the basic Salesforce AI skills, the project teams, the leadership, they define a strategy, the vision, the use cases that we are going to tackle within the enterprise environment, and the ROIs on that, the ethical concerns, the governance, and then along with AI, there would be a data strategy, the project planning, the delivery processes, and once we have that in place, we thoughtfully design the agent use cases, how we are going to build the agents, what they are going to do, how we are going to deploy them, and then obviously anything that Salesforce does its platform, it has trust as a number one value. So with agentic AI, those capabilities are added in the Einstein trust layer, and similarly we got to learn that and enable that in the agentic use cases. And as we go through uh, this AI, drive AI within your organization modules, we learn that, we understand that, and then we get some deep dive into the tools that we are going to use in Salesforce AI to build AI use cases, things like prompt template. We can build field generation templates, the flex templates, sales email prompt templates. We get that project hands on, and then we work on a super batch. where, like, for example, like, if we this is a use case about a fitness coach helping its clients, and as one example is that as clients create fitness records, we can create a prompt template that goes through all the fitness records for a client and summarize that, so that the fitness coach goes through, reads through that summarized field, and rather than going through all the fitness records, and then create a better fitness plan for their clients based on the fitness goals. Similarly, we complete that prompt template super batch, and then we get into the agent builder, which is based on topics, actions, and instructions. We design the journal FAQ. There are some standard topics which we can add to the agents, like journal FAQs. We can create our custom topics, and then we can ground those topics with data libraries, and then we create agent actions which can call the flows and the prompt templates, and all this. As we do this trail projects, we learn these tools, and then we go through a super batch where we create a service agent, which uh, which uh, which uses the custom topic of a booking topic, and based on customer request, it creates reservations, can cancel reservations. There are different actions, and those actions call different flows, and we also get some hands-on with data libraries, where we uh, ground the responses in the code of conduct PDFs. We upload the PDF in the data cloud, and it goes through indexing and vectorization, and create that search index, which is then used in the agent framework, agent framework, to provide these capabilities, and then as we like the sales cloud, the capabilities of the sales cloud can be enhanced with agent force. So we see that in this sell smarter with agent force topic, where you can have an SDR agent helping sales development representatives to nurture leads, to route leads properly, and then help customers answer their queries much more efficiently than just going through all the leads and spending time in filtering the leads. Rather, autonomous agents can help with that. So, and similarly, sales leaders can delegate some of the coaching process to autonomous agents by helping sales agents do the role plays, scenarios, and and as use cases evolve, we can customize. We can uh, uh, generate charts that that helps sales teams to sell faster and better. So that's about it with this. Uh, you then become, once you finish all this, you become innovator level, and then you continue this pathway of learning, and help clients and customers and enterprises implement agentic layer at scale with Salesforce AI and broader understanding of RAG and other capabilities. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening, and we'll connect in next video.